Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching some of my shorts, you know that I've decided to take on the huge task of reorganizing my candle studio. I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee. The studio is in a state that, it's not okay. I've been making, so I've got some scented candles that are curing here. I've got some decorative candle that I need to pack. I've got the new shape that you see over there that I need to start testing. I've got all this that needs to be glossed and varnished. And the overall studio is just chaos. So on my list of things to do this weekend, if I can, is to reorganize the studio because the space is not working for me anymore. Like, it's disorganized, there's too much stuff, there's plenty of stuff that I don't use. I've got my scented candle stock over there, I've got my decorative candle stock, and you can see the shelves are quite empty. I need to crack on. Do you agree? Hello? Hello. Oh, yeah. I'm lucky enough to have a big space here, a full room dedicated to my candle business, which is great. However, it is full to the rim. There's a lot of things that I use, lots of things I don't use, and I just need one to declutter, get rid of everything that I'm not using, meaning donate, sell, or discard if needed. 2, reorganize based on my needs. So I would need a pouring station, I'll need a packing station, and I will need a content creating station. Because my office space per se is downstairs, so it's more about what I do here. And then 3, I need to get it sorted. So I'm on my lunch break, so I'm gonna see how much I can get moved for now, and it's gonna be a running theme for the next few days. Wish me luck.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Okay, so I don't know what time is it. Alexa, what time is it? Okay, so half an hour later, let's say, this has changed. Okay, so here it looks like after half an hour. So I've just started to reorganize, and I've made a U shape here and kind of made like this parallel here, and I'm gonna add this bench probably here to be a packing station. Some progress and some mess, a little bit of everything, but I think I'm quite happy with this part so far. So yeah, good, feels better. IKEA delivery can only mean one thing: it's time to finish the studio and get ready to sort everything and store everything away. Yay, lots and lots. Okay, so this is currently what we have. Several days later, here it is, the new improved candle studio. So I've reshuffled all the station. I've got the pouring station on the left, all my molds in the front, then I've got some content station, my storage for my scented candle. So it is a more viewed of like my pouring station. So all my wax are stored at the bottom in those great IKEA containers. So that's all my decorative wax and my other type of wax. I've got my 2 melter, one for decorative, one for scented, all my pictures, my icon on pegboards. Here I've stored every single of my silicone molds, so they're all tucked away in boxes, and I've got a little container for my wicks and my stickers, all my fragrance oil, etc. I've got this great container for all my wicks, so they can be stored for my scented candles. Moving along to my storage section, you've got my printer, all my different labels, and the storage for all my scented candles, as well as my empty jar at the top. So happy with the result, it's so much more functional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.